Hey everybody, it's Coach Jared Snyder, and I want to start out this video with asking you a question. Are you getting a workout in most days of the week? Are you spending lots of time on your workout? Are you getting the results you want from your workouts? Please, with any of these questions that I'm asking you, if you feel free to comment below. Let me know. I want to know about your health and fitness. Are you looking to lose weight? Are you looking to eat better? Are you even looking to just have more energy throughout your day? As fall's coming up, I know a lot of us are going to be inside and we're going to be trying on our jeans again. Are you looking to fit in those skinny jeans again? Well, if this is the case, I have some awesome solutions for you. Please comment below. I want to know about your fitness journey and how it's going. Because I am here to help you, and if I can help you, and I can help you crush those goals, motivate you, encourage you, and everything else to get where you need to be and to stay where you need to be, to make those life choices, I want to do it. So please answer the questions in the comments below. I am going to be starting a shoulder workout today, so stay tuned, and I'll have a little bit after this talking that I do. And please subscribe. Please share me with your friends and family. Share me with whoever. I would love to meet new people. I want to help as many people as I can get healthy and fit and just live better and awesome lives. All right, take care and God bless, and I love you guys. Bye.